This video shows the JobTrack workflow from quoting to production using the automated job execution feature. This is a CSV quote containing 4 3D parts. These are the quoted parts. Import the quote using JobTrack terminal. The quoted parts got the default part operations assigned: cutting and bending. Click Estimate Quote. To run the automatic quote estimation on the remote host, you should have the AJE template preset. Select the remote host to execute the job, then click OK. AutoNest automatically processes and estimates the parts. Once the quote is estimated, open it in JobTrack terminal. The estimation report is generated as well. Once the customer accepts the quote, proceed with the order. You can add more parts to the order, whether sheet metal or tubes. Two tubes have been added. Once the order is defined, click Execute as Job. To process the order automatically, the AJE template should contain the default machines for all the part types included into the order. In this case, a sheet cutting machine and a tube cutting machine. You can observe the execution progress in the Registered Automated Jobs view. Since the parts have the bending part operation assigned, they are processed by mbend first. Mbend opens, indicating the background batch running. mbend unfolds the parts with bends and sends the flat patterns to CAD, thus ensuring the correct cutting dimensions. The parts with no bends are skipped, as well as tubes. The parts are nested. The subnests are sent to production. The automated job is finished. The order has been processed in the fully automatic mode. These are the subnests. The subnests can be scheduled, whether automatically or manually. Subness start completion can be reported from the scheduler by the machine operator using JobTrack terminal. Subness completion can also be reported one by one, directly from the Subness view or using the bulk Subness completion option for several subness at once. Three ordered parts have bends. These are their bending programs. Bending program scheduling and start completion reporting are done in the same way as subnests. The order is completed.